Well, you know, it's a question what a good and happy life is. So certainly under some descriptions of the word good and some descriptions of the word happy, there are atheists who have good and happy lives. I don't doubt it at all. But in the end, what we are looking for maybe is not just any life that can count as good or any life that can count as happy, but we are looking for a life that fulfills our deepest heart's desire. We're looking for a life where, in the end, nothing of what we had a deepest yearning for remains unfulfilled. That is what we're looking for. When the deepest desires of our hearts are fulfilled, then our lives are marked by goodness, by happiness, maybe so, but they are marked especially by joy. And why? Because in a life of that sort, we can say, a person can say, my beloved is mine, and I am his. His banner over me is love. That's what the Song of Songs presents to us. And to me, that seems right. That is what life looks like when the deepest desires of our hearts are fulfilled. So if we rephrase your question, is it possible to have a life in which the deepest desires of your heart are fulfilled without a relationship to God? Then I would say no. No. But it is certainly possible not to have the deepest desires of your heart fulfilled and still count as, among human beings, both good and happy.